I'm Cameron Hoffman. I'm originally from outside of Pittsburgh and then eventually moved now to Atlanta where I'm finishing up my PhD and I study cybercrimes. So moving to the city, I knew I wasn't gonna have a car, and so I was like, well, I still wanna be able to get around. But especially the Swytched bike is cool. One, cause I can get to where I'm trying to get to, especially if it's for a class or something, and not show up sweaty. Unfortunately, crime can be kind of high in cities. And I've had a friend get their e-bike stolen, but I've had people confuse this for just an ordinary speaker, not that it's an electric bicycle. And the fact that you can just take the most expensive part of it with you is quite satisfying, really. And so yeah, I bought this probably a year and a half ago thus far. I mean, still held up in great shape. I did the conversion myself. It was as easy as putting zip ties on and color matching orange to orange. Probably took me maybe 20 minutes. First, you're gonna get sent this wheel. You're gonna go ahead and seat it in where your original front wheel was. Once you've done that, you're just gonna hook up the cord in the way that the examples show you how to do it so that it can lead to where the battery attaches, which will be on your handlebars, might be on your seat, wherever it may go that you've selected. After that, there's a magnetic circle that will go around your pedal. And that's just so that when you pedal, such as right here, that the sensor catches it so that your wheel can go ahead and start spinning as well. And if you've got a throttle, it does the exact same thing. 60 miles? That's pretty cool. So it's one cable and then it just straps on, can I? Yeah, out of the way. Just clip these things and you can just take it off, throw it in your backpack or something. So benefit of extra distance, worth it.